Hello there. As some of you have been going on YouTube, I'm going everywhere I can on even using the most underground sites to try to find a way to host your Telnet server, and it hasn't been a great success till I found something which I guess will help you. So just watch. Well, you will need the software called FreeSHD. As the name says, it's free. And it's freely downloadable at the official website, which is www.freeshd.com. You're gonna go to the download link and you're gonna download the first one, your Windows, or you may try to Google for the Mac version, the Linux version. I don't know how you actually do that on Linux and Mac, so I'm on Windows, so just run it. After you downloaded it, it would be on your desktop or any place where you set the default download directory. Mine is on desktop, and you're gonna double click it. Yeah, so there, after installation, it's gonna pop up two message boxes, one concerning private keys, creating private keys right now, and the other one about service mode. You're gonna press yes to both pop-up messages or boxes, message boxes. So there, after you've installed it and all the stuff, it's gonna have a small icon on desktop. If you don't have it, you go to Start, All Programs, and then you're gonna select it from here. Wow. So there. So after you have FreeSHD running, it's gonna be taking some time to load and all the stuff. So, oh well, I think that's supposed to be running. So there. Double clicking on FreeSHD, running it. There, it's loaded. If you go to settings, you'll find that Telnet server is not running. So you're gonna click here to make it run. Here you're gonna have no user, and I'm gonna be adding a user by calling it user password stored as SHA1 hash. Type in your password for the user. They're gonna press OK. I'm gonna enable both three right here. After you did that, you go to Telnet tabs right out here. Make sure these are set to this. It's the default setting, so nothing to be really. If you want to start Telnet server as FreeSHD comes pop-ups at startup, so it's not okay. It's just okay. Just click on this. After you did that, everything should be running fine for this local server. So you're gonna type in cmd on the run command, and you're gonna be pop up, and the command prompt gonna pop up. So in the command prompt, you just type in telnet local host. There. Here you go to telnet setup. Your telnet server setup. It's gonna ask you for the login. It's gonna ask you for the password. Since I made some changes to it right before making this video, it's not gonna be working right now. So I won't be taking another video to make it. So we're gonna do this very quick. So after you did that, I'm gonna ask you a pretty simple question. Are you behind your router? Do you have something like this right next to your PC? And if you see it well, yes. If you have one of these right behind your PC, then mean people outside won't be able to get you. So we need them to be able to access your server, or if you want to access your server from any place like a cafe or at your friend's place, showing how cool your Telnet server is, you're gonna type in the address bar on your browser the address of your router, meaning if you don't know what's the address of your router, you'll be going to back to CMD. You're gonna type in IP config slash is it forward or backslash, I don't know. Gonna type in IP config or it's gonna take some time to come up with the data. So there, right in front of you, you're gonna have something called default gateway dot 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 double dot, and you're gonna note this address down. So what I'm gonna, okay, just to mark it to show you well, this address down. After you did note it down, we're gonna type it right in here. Yeah, it's gonna ask you for a password and a username. So the password is gonna be default if you've just got your router, if you changed it. So just type in the password and username. If you don't know it, you can freely call your ISP or the provider of the live box and tell them, hey, my password, man, my username. So after you did that, everything should be going fine. It's gonna load. Mine is in French. Don't be scared, I'm gonna translate it to you. So you go to where you actually do your port forwarding. If you don't know, it's maybe some places called LAN servers or some kind of things like that. And right in here, you're gonna add a new port forwarding. The name of the servers can be called anything. If you like Telnet server right here, you're gonna make yes. If it's active, yes, give it activation and nothing like that. It's gonna be a TCP connection. It's gonna be from port 23 to port 23. Any port that you define on the settings in the Telnet tab, just be the same. And this is gonna be my IP behind the router. This is the IP left PC right here. After you did that, we're gonna click apply. Gonna click now. And we're gonna save changes. And after you did all that, everything should be okay right now. So you're done through. So every time you're gonna access your server from the internet, using the external IP address of this router and specifying which port you want to access. If you're going to Telnet and say I want to access port 23 on CND, it's gonna be working. So here's a quick example how you're gonna be mainly accessing your PC on the internet. I'm at a friend's place. I type in Telnet. I type in any DNS address I've given this Lightbox or the IP address if I know it. If you have a fixed IP address, that's gonna help. If you don't, just go to this address, dns.com. You go to this address. You don't Telnet this address. You go to this address on your web browser, and you're gonna register and you're gonna install the software and all that stuff. It's gonna be straightforward there. If you know your IP address, like since I'm your external IP address, I mean, everything should be okay. Just type in your external IP address, whatever it is, some kind of stuff like that. And if you're on any port except port 23, you specify it. As if you're on port 23, you don't need to specify. Telnet is already using it as a default. Thanks for watching my video. See ya. This was CSK, this is Kiddo. No, it's not Merry Christmas, no, my birthday. So I thought this is okay, bye.